What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn what to do after installing WordPress. So basically we're gonna learn the very first steps in order to create your WordPress website for beginners, okay? So I'm gonna guide you in every single step until you can have a nice website layout that you can edit and design without coding, knowledge base, and on a budget. So for free, without paid absolutely anything. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics in order to choose international sites' favor. So let's get this started. Very first thing to do when you are into this page on WordPress, you may be a little bit disappointed because you have paid for a host, a domain, and installed WordPress, and all you got is this blank page with some hello world post and nothing much, né? So what to do right here? First of all, we're gonna need to find our WordPress theme and a nice set of WordPress plugins in order to start customizing our site. However, there is a lot of themes and plugins to choose from, so I'm gonna start for the first things first. Can you see that when I go to one of my posts, my site URL go to my domain name and this p=1? A very bad URL, don't you think? So let's start changing this. Go to our WordPress dashboard, this part right here, WP admin, and review the left sidebar of menus. Hover a mouse over settings and go to general. Right here we're gonna type your site title and your tagline, okay? Just like the slogan of your page, okay? Then we're gonna choose the administrator email. You're gonna set if somebody can register on your site or not. If you are running an online store, this is important, okay? Then you can select your site language, but review the submenus right here. And the most important thing to do right now, it's this part right here, permalinks. As you can see, we have plain permalink, the domain url.com and this p123. I recommend this one right here, post name. So imagine that we have a post called hello world. Imagine that this URL should be yourdomain.com/hello world. So choose post name. Save change. This can hardly affect your website search engine optimizations, so this is one of the first things we need to do when we are starting a new website, okay? After this, let's choose our theme, okay? Because theme is a very important thing, because you only can choose a single WordPress theme and can install a lot of plugins, so themes is one of the most important things to customize your site. Go to your WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over appearance, click on themes and click on add new. And why not using the full WordPress website theme, the 2023 actually? It's because this theme is quite limited. You cannot even upload a logo type. So into right here themes, we're gonna review the upper right corner of our screen, and into search themes you're gonna type Enzo. Here is one of the best WordPress themes that you can use. We're gonna click on install, and after this we're gonna click into the activate button, just like this. The theme is now activated. Now some themes offers a couple of plugins to start customizing your site, and Zoo it's one of them. So essential plugins, install and activate your plugins. Click on install and activate plugins. And we have 2 plugins to be installed. If you are not using Visual Modo and Zoo theme, go to your WordPress left sidebar, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new. Once those plugins are free, you just can search, just like you searched for Enzo theme, into the upper right corner of your screen, into keyword search plugins, type borderless, click on install now. Click into the activate button. the WordPress gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where we can see all of the current installed plugins on your site. Once again, go to plugins into the left sidebar of menu or of your WordPress dashboard, click on add new. Into the upper right corner, search for Elementor. Elementor Website Builder. Click on install now and click into the activate button. Elementor gonna redirect you to a page where you can create an account of them, but if you review the upper right corner of your screen, you just can click into this X icon in order to close this and go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now we have a WordPress theme, we have 2 WordPress plugins, all for free, and we can start having fun. How? If you installed Borders as recommended, you can hover your mouse over it and click into Library, okay? And right here you can import pre-built websites that you can customize without coding. So imagine that you would like to have a business website. You can import one for free. Just click right here into business, select the site. Let's go to the preview to review the website. Imagine that you can have a website just like this one with all the contents instead of those boring blank page that WordPress gives you in the first installation. So let's import it. So click into import button. We have all the recommended plugins, so nothing else to do. Click on import. We are building our site. We can customize or visit the site. Let's visit the site. And here is my new website. Now, what to do? First of all, I would like to change the logo type, for example, or for example, change this slider name. Maybe change this navigation menu. All we can do, it's easy now, because we are go back to your WordPress dashboard, hover your mouse over appearance. Right here, we can see a new button called Customize and another new button called Menus. Let's first customize. Then we can choose the parts of the site that I would like to customize. I would like to customize the website header, most specifically the logo type. Then here is the logo. I can select another image. I can upload one from my computer here, or selecting any other one, maybe this one. After change, click into the publish button. Now go back, go to the logo for dark mode. We have a white version of your logo. You can upload it right here. If not, just upload the full logo type. Now we have a logo type on our site. What else we can do? We can close this pop-up into the left sidebar of menus, upper right corner, upper left corner. Go back to appearance, hover your mouse over menus. Here is our WordPress navigation menu. We have some items right here. We can select pages of our site or posts of our site to include into this list. And after change is made, we're gonna click into this bottom right corner, blue button called Saved Menu. After this, what else we can do? We can customize the site, of course. And how to customize the pages? If you installed Elementor plugin as I recommended into the beginning of the video, all you have to do is go to some of your pages and click right here, Edit with Elementor. Click on it. Let's close this pop-up, this other one. And as you can see, we have a new left sidebar of menus with lots of elements that you can use to customize our site. For example, imagine that I would like to change this logo type right here. I'm gonna click on it. Here is the logo type. I'm gonna change image and select a new one. Click into the upload. Here is my new image. The same happens for text. Here is the text. I can type something into a very friendly editor. And now we can start customizing the things that we need. For example, this text right here, or maybe this image. As you can see, all we have to do is click into some element and review the left sidebar of menus in order to customize every single part. It's a quite intuitive and not that hard as you imagine, and absolutely zero needs of code. And what if I would like to apply some other section to this? I can click into this plus button, select the columns layout that I want. Imagine that I want just a single column. Review we have right here a plus button into this column. Click on it, and I'm gonna select the element that I want. I can apply, for example, a button, and customize the button to apply a link, maybe, or anything that I want. Same thing. This is all the free elements. You can create an amazing website on a budget like this. And of course, if you have some questions, you can use the comment section below, so I can help you beginning on your sites, of course. But with doing this, you already have all the tools you need to create an amazing site in a very fast and simple way. Basically, you already have a site created, by the way. So it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin. It's free. You can use it to create your site on a budget, or Enzu WordPress theme, okay? In order to customize your site, to change the logo type and the menus as I showed into the video. Or growth.net platform in order to submit your site for receiving and publishing guest posts in the case that you want to create a blog. It helps you. And in the case that you want to go premium, count on our full support, unlock all of the templates of Borderless plugin, all of the features of Enzo theme, you can go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and be premium in order to count on our premium icons, widgets, templates, plugins, and many more pro features, including all of those premium templates that are just like pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, as I showed it into the video. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!